But we have referred this petition challenging the order passed by the learned family court, whereby, sorry, my lords.
Yes, continue.
Whereby the family court has given the visitation rights to the father, that is the respondent. Now we have challenged this order, my lords, on the ground that the family court Damoh lacks jurisdiction as per section 9 of Guardianship and Wards Act. My lords, thereafter we approached this court, and this court was kind enough to state that order, void order dated 4/11/2024. Now, during the pendency of this petition, the respondents files another MP challenging the same order, seeking the same relief of quashment of this order which we have challenged.
So, number दीजिए petition को.
My lord, both the petitions are listed, my lord.
My lords, it is a connected matter MP number 2702 in 2025.
लगा तो हुआ है आज.
हाँ, दोनों.
My lords.
Argue your case.
In this, my lord, in both the petitions, the same relief is claimed, my lord. This is a dispute between husband and wife, my lord.
Yes.
The visitation rights were granted by, my lord, the family court Damoh, my lord. They challenged the jurisdiction of the court on the ground that the suit should be filed where the daughter is living, my lord. Now, my lord, we also, my lord, go down to that prayer, my lord, and both the parties should be given to liberty to litigate at Bangalore, my lord.
At
Bangalore, my lord.
Bangalore,
my lord. Second thing is that, my lord, this honorable court has granted some visitation rights, my lord. The total order has not been stayed, so that visitation rights may be continued, my lord, because he is a father, my lord, and he has all the rights to meet his daughter, my lord.
My lords, if my lords may see the order dated 4/11/2024.
why you are opposing visitation right? Father है वो भी तो अपने बच्चे को मिलेंगे.
My
क्या
lords,
दिक्कत है आपको?
we don't have any problem with
You
that.
are having custody. You have custody. Let
My
him
lords.
meet his child.
My lords, but the problem is the petitioner, the court below is not having the jurisdiction in a prima facie, my lords. They have obtained that order, and they are both living in Bangalore. They are both doing their jobs at Bangalore. The minor child is also at Bangalore.
Suit is filed at
Damoh, my lords, MP. My lords, they have filed for the custody.
My lord, because she has lodged FIR under 498A at Damoh. She has filed DV.
If she is not living at Damoh, how she can file?
That was a consensus order, my lord, and there was no objection before the trial court.
No, my lords, we never
Kindly see
consented. There
the
is no
impugned order.
signature of ours, my lords.
Kindly see the impugned. Their advocate has consented for it, my lord. Kindly see the impugned order.
We never signed in the
तो
order.
act से बताइए where it is to be filed. Territorial jurisdiction.
My lord, that objection under section 21 CPC should be taken at the initial stage. No objection was taken before the trial.
पढ़िए.
My lord,
Section 9.
CPC.
Guardians and Ward Act.
My lords, Section 9 states that if the application with respect to guardianship of a person of the minor is made, it shall be made to the district court having jurisdiction in the place where the minor ordinarily resides. My lords, now
Where is minor?
my lords, ordinary residence of the minor is at Bangalore.
She is with the mother.
Studying in the school.
You did not raise any objection initially.
My lords, for that I am relying on a judgment that states that the objection regarding the jurisdiction can be made at any stage of the proceedings. My lords.
Not regarding territorial jurisdiction. Jurisdiction भी कई प्रकार के होते हैं.
Pecuniary, that can be subject matter.
My lords. But my lords, in the court
So
below,
far as territorial jurisdiction is concerned, it has to be taken at the first instance. You participated, court passed the order.
my lords, but we never consented in the impugned order. My lords, if my lords
Have you filed any objection to jurisdiction? आपने कोई objection लिया था क्या jurisdiction में order pass होने से पहले?
no, my lords, in the
So-
court below we haven't.
So if you have not taken any objection, you consented to it. So if you want to file fresh case at
Bangalore.
Bangalore, you can file.
My lords, they have already filed in. I have just filed this morning additional documents. The petition they have filed before Bangalore court.
They have not filed, my lord.
हाँ है.
My lords, that is in application for additional documents on record.
I'll dispose of this case if they have already filed. You have filed?
No, my lord, I have
My
not.
lords, their grandparents of the minor child has filed, my lords. The husband and the grandparents, they three are living in the same house in Bangalore, my lords. Just to create multiple litigation in different jurisdictions and harass the petitioner, they have created such chaos, my lord.
In this case itself, my lord, the honorable court has granted visitation rights. I am father, I am ready to take her custody also, my lord, but she is not permitting me to meet my child, my lord.
My lords, they are already
And he
waiting
has-
for Bangalore court. my
Not
lord.
only legal, but natural right also is there.
These additional documents.
My lords, it may not have been in the file, my lords.
आपको कॉपी मिल गई?
Will give.
So wife had already approached court.
My lord. So we have no objection at approaching at Madam Bangalore. The only prayer is that, my lord, he is a father. He has legal and natural right to meet his child. So some visitation rights which have already been fixed in this case itself, my lord.
My lord,
By the honorable, kindly see the The order sheet of MP number 6041, my lord. In the last order sheet, my lord, the court has fixed certain rights, my lord.
So I will not interfere with that. You may prosecute the case at Bangalore.
My lords, my only submission, we don't have any objection regarding the visitation. My only submission that the arrears of visitation that she has attended the proceedings in the learned trial court at Damoh, that remaining arrears shall be paid. Because in the imputed order and in the interim order also, court has directed that in every appearance, the respondent, that is the wife, shall be paid the travel allowance.
We shall pay, my lord.
Petitioner has filed this petition under Article 227 of the Constitution of India, challenging order dated 23/7/24 contained in Annexure P1. By said order, visitation rights were allowed to respondents. Also, counsel appearing for petitioner submitted that court does not have territorial jurisdiction to pass such an order as per Section 8 of Guardian and Wards Act.
Section 9.
Section 9 of the Guardians and Wards Act 1890. Application is to be filed in court, district court having jurisdiction in the place where minor ordinarily resides. It is submitted that minor resides in Bangalore, full stop. It is also submitted that petition at Bangalore has also been referred
By the grandparents.
by grandparents. आप लोग पार्टी नहीं है क्या?
नहीं.
My lords,
Grandparents
the respondent here is the respondent in Bangalore, my lords. The grandparents had made the husband a respondent and they are the petitioner.
तो ये अब जब वाइफ है तो ये शी इज नेचुरल गार्जियन, ये ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स क्या करेंगे पिटिशन फाइल करके?
My lords,
व्हाट दे विल डू, व्हाई दे हैव फाइल्ड?
my lords, for the custody of the child, my lords, they have filed under section 7(a).
जब मदर है तो कहाँ से ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को कस्टडी मिल जाएगी?
My lords, they have filed, not
वो
us.
बच्चे को पालना घर में छोड़ देती है. जो मदर है, she leaves the child in the, my lord,
She is a working
child home. उसमें छोड़ के चली जाती
Take
है.
her at the job. She is studying in UKG.
No objection has been raised before the trial court regarding the territorial jurisdiction. आपका जो objection था क्या?
No, my lords, not in the court below.
Since
But my lords, I'm relying on a judgment that may be quoted, my lords.
since no objection has been raised by petitioner before the trial court, therefore it will be said that they have consented to the they have submitted to the jurisdiction of court, and it cannot be said that order is without jurisdiction. बताइए कौन सा judgment?
My lords, it is the
Copy कीजिए.
my lords.
Counsel appearing for petitioner relies upon the judgment passed in case of Zurari Cement Limited versus Regional Director reported in 2015, volume 7 SCC 690. क्या है, कौन सा पैरा you are relying? 11 and 12.
My lords, if my lords may see in the parrot 12, may I read? The objection as to want of jurisdiction can be raised at any stage when the court lacks jurisdiction. The fact
कौन सा
that
jurisdiction इसमें रेज किया था? किसके ऑब्जेक्शन था? कौन से jurisdiction का ऑब्जेक्शन था?
my lords, not in the court below, but here we are raising the objection
इस केस
territorial.
में कौन सा jurisdiction था जिसपे ऑब्जेक्शन?
My lords, territorial jurisdiction.
This was territorial jurisdiction.
इसमें कौन सा?
Peru's judgment, full stop. Facts are different, cannot be related. But dismissed. Yes.
Point 1 is also, my lord, is filed by the husband, my lord, asking the same relief for setting aside impugned order annexure P1.
So you file a proper application raising
So liberty may be given, my lord, to litigate at Bangalore, my lord.
petitioner has filed this. No, I will not grant. You file an application before the trial court.
My lords,
Raising objection.
observation be made that the arrears should be paid, my lords, at least.
My lord, the impugned order is in two parts, my lord. One is maintenance, the other is visitation rights. They are challenging the visitation rights.
Making a prayer that petitioner be permitted to litigate the issue at Bangalore. Full stop. Objections regarding territorial jurisdiction was not raised before Family Court Damoh LP. In view of saying this court will not entertain the petition under Article 227 as the issue of jurisdiction is both factual and legal. Full stop. Petitioner is at liberty to file an application before the family court raising all the objections. This full stop.
In this, my lord, my visitation right as granted by this honorable court.
I am not interfering with any rights. I have dismissed this petition.
So, my lord, the order sheet will also go, my lord. My humble prayer is that The order sheet of this
impugned
honorable court, no, not the impugned order, the order sheet of this honorable court whereby the visitation rights have been granted, my lord.
So visitation right has been granted by this court.
Yes, my lord.
Where is order?
The
My
last,
lords, only
last-
that order was only for the video calls, my lords.
देख लें आप वही ऑर्डर हमको चाहिए, इसी में पिछली ऑर्डर शीट है.
It is not there. दूसरे वाले केस में होगा.
ये दिस इज माय लॉर्ड MP number 6041.
6041.
My lord, that is order dated 16/12/2024.
Order passed by this court dated 16/12/24 is safe.
My lords, the
वाले
arrears,
वाले
my,
बता देना.
my lords, my prayer is the arrears for the child shall be paid, my lords, at least.
And will not be affected by, is saved in the final order.
Right.
Yes. Next.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, the petitioner is challenging the order dated 7/10/2024. Annexure P4, your lordship, thereby the application filed by the respondent number 1 under section 16 of Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act has been allowed by